So thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's video. And to my loyal subscribers, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here or you've stopped by occasionally and haven't become a part of the family, well, now is the time to do it. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. In today's video, it's my summer 2023 house update series, and this time we're in the living room. So let's get straight to the video. Let's get it. Let's go. So I'm starting by placing a mirror in this space. And this is not the mirror that I originally wanted for the space, but it was a mirror I already had at my home. We all know about the Wayfair shipping disaster. I have been busy along with Nevaeh doing this great transformation of our home. So if you miss any part of the 2023 summer update series, you know what to do. After this video, just catch up. That's all you have to do. Found this Ajax at the Dollar Tree in the scent of citrus and eucalyptus. I'm using it to clean down my lamps because I shopped my home to find pieces to move around in this space. Let's stay social and connected. Follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook, both at The Priceless Pearl Life. If you are enjoying this video, then you know what I need you to do. I need you to give it a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because that's how you help my channel to grow. It tells YouTube that my video is worth watching and someone else needs to see what I'm doing here on the channel. So I appreciate every thumbs up, and I appreciate every comment. It helps. It helps a small channel like mine to be pushed out to the masses. And it also encourages me to keep doing what I absolutely love. Thank you, family. Well, if you're new here, I can't be rude. I must introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, and my channel is called The Price's Pearl Life with Katrina. Here, I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, DIYs, and so much more. I would love for you to become a part of my growing YouTube family. And you know, it's simple, it's fun, and it's free for you to join. So go ahead and click that subscription and hit that notification bell twice. So yeah, I could have changed my living room space for the summer in a new, refreshed color. But I thought to myself, I am loving this green. So I went back to Wayfair where I found these pillows, and I also found the new drapes from the same company. So I said, I'm keeping my green, I'm adding new drapes, and that's the refresh for my summer 2023. Proving that you don't have to go out and spend a lot to get a brand new look. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.